Good morning, students. Today in this video we are going to learn about word problems based on fractions. Right? We have already learned about the addition of the fraction, subtraction of the fraction, multiplication of the fraction, then division, where you have to find the reciprocal and you have to do multiplication. Now here we are going to learn about word problems like addition, subtraction. Here are word problems which are based on fractions, right? So the few word problems are there which are already solved in the textbook. That is example number 22. The cost of one geometry box is rupees 32 and half, that means 32.50, or you can say read it in a fraction also, 32 rupees and half. Find the cost of 14 such geometry box. So cost of one geometry box is given, we have to find the cost of 14 such boxes, right? So one cost of one geometry box is equal to 32 and half, that they have converted into the improper fraction, mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. 32 to the 64 plus 165 upon 2, that is the cost of one geometry box. What we have to find? Cost of 14 such geometry boxes, right? So we need to multiply 16 upon 2 by 14, or you can multiply 14 by 16 upon 2, meaning it's same. So nothing is there means 1 is there. So 14 and 65 will get multiplied, and 2 and 1 will get multiplied. So 14 multiplied by 65 upon 2. Here 14 is divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So what left in the numerator? 65 multiplied by 7 upon 1. Means 65 sevens are 455. If you divide it by 1, it will remain same. So that is 455 rupees. So cost of 14 such geometry boxes is rupees 455. Then second example is given. How many pieces of length 1 3 upon 4 meter can be cut from the ribbon of length 63 meters? So length of ribbon is what? 63 meters is given. So length of each piece is 1 3 upon 4, that they have converted into the improper fraction. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 7 upon 4 meter. Number of pieces formed. So when you divide this 63 meter by 7 upon 4, means you are going to cut, right? You are going to cut that ribbon pieces from that total length of ribbon, right? So you are going to cut, means repeated subtraction you are going to do. Repeated subtraction means division. This is the length of piece which we are going to cut. So we from this 63 meters, right? So you are going to cut 6 7 upon 4 repeatedly from 16 upon 16 meters. So indirectly you are going to divide 63 by 7 upon 4. Nothing is there in the denominator, so you can consider 1. So reciprocal they have written. Instead of division, what we are going to do? Multiplication. So 63 upon 7, 63 divided by 7 upon 4 is equal to 63 multiplied by reciprocal of 7 upon 4 is 4 upon 7, right? So they have written here. Nothing is there means 1 is here. 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63. So 63 is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63. 9 fours are 36 divided by 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. So 69 for the 36 divided by 1 is equal to 36. So how many pieces of length 7 upon 4 meter you can cut from that 63 meter? That is 36 pieces of equal length you can cut from that 63 meter, right? Now exercise 1.8, like solve the following word problems, right? So I have already solved this word problem. In this video I'm just going to explain that. So first word problem is here. There are 40 party hats at a party. एका party मध्ये 14 hats आहेत, party hats आहेत. 4/7 of them are white. या 14 मधलं 4/7 are white, म्हणजे white कलरचे आहेत. How many party hats at the party are not white? आता 4/7 parts of 14 are in white color. Once we get the number of hats which are white, so that and remaining hats will be a which will not be white. White hats आपल्याला एकदा समजल्या की राहिलेल्या सगळ्या कशा असणार आहेत? White नसणार आहेत. So 14, right? So we have to find 4/7 of 14. 4/7 of 14 means 14 multiplied by 4/7. 14 hats मधल्या 4/7 hats white आहेत. तर किती आहेत? So we need to multiply it, right? Nothing is there, so I have considered 1. So 14 multiplied by 4 divided by 1 multiplied by 7. Now 14 is divisible by 7, so that is why I have divided here, right? So divisible by 7 you can write here by 7. Divisible by 7 means I have divided here by 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So what left in numerator? 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8, and 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. 8 upon 1 means 8. So 8 hats are white in colors. So out of that 14 hats, party hats, 8 are white. So remaining means 14 minus 8, that is 6. 6 hats are there which are not white. Understood? Next one. A recipe of cake needs 3/4 cup of sugar. If you take 1 cup of sugar, from that cup of sugar you need 3/4, means if you make 4 equal parts of that sugar, you need 3 parts of it for 6 people. For 6 people you need 3/4 cup of sugar. Fine. Anil wants to make a cake for 3 people. Right, a recipe of cake needs 3/4 of cup of sugar for 6 people. 6 people साठी एवढी लागते. But Anil wants to make a cake for 3 peoples. So how much sugar is needed? So how much sugar is needed? 3/4 किती जणांना लागते? 6 people साठी लागते. त्याला किती जणांसाठी केक बनवायचा आहे? 3 जणांसाठी. म्हणजे ह्या 3/4 च्या हाफ तुम्हाला शुगर लागणार, कारण number of people is 3 here. So 3 is exactly half of 6. So you need to find the half of the sugar. एवढी शुगर 6 जणांना लागते, तर ह्याच्या निम्मी शुगर 3 जणांसाठी लागणार. सो हाफ ऑफ 3/4, ह्याचा हाफ म्हणजे 3 जणांना लागणारी शुगर आहे. सो हाफ of 3/4. So half of 3/4 means half multiplied by 3/4. What is this? 1/2 means half. So half of 3/4. 3 ones are 3 and 4 twos are 8. So means out of 8 parts you will need 3 parts of sugar for 3 people. Right? So 3/8 of cup. त्या कप मध्ये जेवढी साखर बसते त्याचे 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स केले तर त्यातले तुम्हाला फक्त 3 पार्ट शुगर तुम्हाला लागणार आहे. कळलं? म्हणजे तुम्ही जर 8 चमचे शुगर त्या कपामध्ये टाकल्यानंतर कप भरत असेल, त्यातले फक्त तुम्हाला 3च चमचे शुगर लागणार आहे 3 जणांसाठी. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. अ बुक हॅज 50 पेजेस. प्रखर हॅज read 1/5 of it. How many pages has Prakhar read? Means you need to find what is the total number of pages. 50 pages, out of which he has read 1/5. म्हणजे 50 चं 1/5 काढायचं तो. Means 1/5 of 50 means 50 multiplied by 1/5. Nothing is there means 1 I have taken. So 5 and 15. Now look at this. 5 is in denominator and it is in this 50 is in numerators. So 5 and 50 are divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 tens are 50. 10 ones are 10 and 1 ones are 1. 10 upon 1 means 10. So 10 pages he has read already, are read by him. Now how many pages are left? Total pages were 50. Right? Total number of pages were 50. Out of which he has read 10 pages. So how many pages are left? 40 pages are left. He is still left to be read. म्हणजे एवढे pages त्याला आणखीन read करायचे आहे. So understood what we have done here. We have found 1/5 of 50. What is 1/5 of 50? Means 50 चे 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स केले तर त्यातला एक पार्ट किती असेल? 50 चे 5 पार्ट्स केले तर त्यातला एक पार्ट किती असेल? 50 चे 5 पार्ट इक्वल केले तर एक पार्ट कितीचा असणार आहे? 10 पेजेसचा असणार आहे. राईट? म्हणजे 50 पेजेसचं बुक तुम्ही 5 पार्ट्स मध्ये डिवाइड केलं तर एक पार्ट मध्ये किती पेजेस येतील? 10 पेजेस. सो he has read 10 pages. So out of 50 he has read 10 pages. So 40 pages are left which still has to be read. Okay, left to be read. The next one, question number D. There are 72 students. In textbook they have given 70. So I have done change here. I have written instead of 70 I have taken here 72. Right? So answer will come in the fraction, but we have to find the number of girls. So you might get confused, sir, how half girls will come in the class. Right? So instead of that confusion I have taken here 72. Right? Instead of 70. So there are 72 students in the class. Out of these 2/3 are girl. Means 72 चे 3 equal parts केले तर त्यातले 2 parts girls आहेत. Means what we need to find? 2/3 of 72. 2/3 of 72. Right? So 2/3 of 72 means 72 multiplied by 2/3. Nothing is there. I have taken 1. So 72 multiplied by 2/3. Right? 72 twos are 144 divided by 3 ones are 3. So when we divide 144 by 3, you will get, look here, 144 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, remainder 2, next number 4, number become 20, 3 8s are 24. So 48 girls are there in the class out of 72. Understood? Next one, E1. The cost of 6 and 2 upon 3 kg of sugar is rupees 124 and 2/3. Find the cost of 1 kg sugar. 6 kg सुगरची व्हॅल्यू एवढी आहे. आपल्याला 1 किलोची किंमत काढायची. जेव्हा जास्तीची किंमत दिलेली असते, ही कितीची प्राइस आहे? 6 2 upon 3 kg ची प्राइस एवढी. तर आपल्याला कितीची काढायची? एकाची किंमत. सो दॅट आय हॅव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड इन द थर्ड स्टँडर्ड. जास्तीची किंमत दिली, 6 kg पेक्षा जास्तीची किंमत दिली आणि आपल्याला 1 kg ची विचारली. सो वी नीड टू डिवाइड दिस टोटल प्राइस बाय 6 2 upon 3. Right? So that is what we have to do. So mixed fraction divided by mixed fraction. So mixed fraction 124 multiplied by 3 plus 2 is equal to 374. Right? 103 are 300, 24 3s are 72 plus 2, 374 divided by 3 or 374 upon 3 divided by, as it is, 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 20 upon 3. Right? Now here division sign is here. So we will change this sign. We will take multiplication here, and instead of 20 upon 3, 3 upon 20 will come in the next step. Right? 374 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 21. So 3 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So what left in the numerator? 374 multiplied by 1 is equal to 374. So 1 multiplied by 20 is equal to 20. So 374 divided by 20 is equal to 21s are 20, remainder left 17, next number 4, 28s are 160, 2 8s are 16, so 28s are 160. 174 minus 160 is equal to 14. So quotient, this is quotient will come as a whole number, remainder will go to the numerator and divisor will go to the denominator. Right? So improper fraction we have converted to mixed fraction. Now here 18 will remain as it is, and 40 and 20 are divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14 and 2 10s are 20. Even numbers divisible by 2. So 18 7 upon 10. That is the cost of 1 kg sugar. Or if you wanted to convert it into the decimal, you can convert. Okay, no problem. If you take 0 here, give your right point here, you will get cost, that is rupees 18.70 paise. Right? You can write here rupees 18.7 means 18 rupees 7 paise. Instead of 7 paise you can read 70 paise. Okay, 18 rupees 70 paise you can say. Next example, there are 105 candies. Okay, 1/7 of these candies are packed in one packet. एवढ्या कॅन्डीज आहेत, त्यातल्या 1/7 म्हणजे ह्या कॅन्डीचे 7 इक्वल पार्ट्स केले तर त्यातला एक पार्ट तुम्ही ह्या पॅकेटमध्ये भरू शकता. राईट? सो हाऊ मेनी सच पॅकेट्स ऑफ कॅन्डीज कॅन बी मेड, म्हणजे एवढ्या पॅकेट्स, एका पॅकेट्समध्ये 1/7 भरायचे असेल आणि टोटल कॅन्डीज एवढे आहेत, 105 कॅन्डीज आर देअर, वी हॅव टू पॅक in 1/7. we have to divide it or multiplied by 1/7. एवढे पार्ट करायचे आपल्याला. एक पार्ट 1/7 चा असणार आहे, तर किती पार्ट्स होतील विचारले. सो दे हॅव ऑलरेडी गिवन हियर द नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स. सो स्टिल वी हॅव टू फाइंड दॅट. सो फाइंड आउट हाऊ मेनी कॅन्डीज डज each packet have. Right? So if you find 1/7 of 105, 1/7 of 105, so 1/7 of 105 in one packet. So 1/7 of 105 candies are there in each packet. Each packet म्हणजे एका पॅकेट मध्ये. So what will be the 1/7 of 105? So 1/7 of means multiplied by 105. Nothing is there, so I have written 1 in the denominator. So 1 multiplied by 105 is equal to 105. 7 multiplied by 7 is 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. So when we divide 105 by 7, you will get 15. Check. 105 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 3 left from the 10. Next number 5. 7 5 are 35. 0 0. So there are 15 candies in one pack. जर एका पॅकेट मध्ये 15 कॅन्डीज असतील तर 105 कॅन्डीज पॅक करण्यासाठी किती लागतील? म्हणजे तुम्ही रिपीटेड सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करत जाणार. ह्या 105 कॅन्डीज मधून 15 कॅन्डीज काढल्या तुम्ही आणि पॅकेटमध्ये भरल्या तर एक पॅकेट तयार झालं. पण 15 कॅन्डीज ह्यातून काय झाल्या, कमी झाल्या. परत तुम्ही 15 कॅन्डीज काढणार, ह्यातून ते दुसऱ्या पॅकेटमध्ये भरणार, 2 पॅकेट होणार. मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू सबस्ट्रॅक्ट 15 फ्रॉम 105 repeatedly. Means repeated subtraction means to pack 105 candies. कशा पॅक करायच्या? इन सच वे दॅट 15 कॅन्डीज विल कम इन वन पॅकेट. म्हणजे 105 कॅन्डीज तुम्हाला पॅक करायचे आहेत. एका पॅकेटमध्ये किती आहेत? 15. मग इथं येणारा क्वेश्चन काय असणार? नंबर ऑफ पॅकेट. मीन्स 15 यू आर गोइंग टू subtract from 105 repeatedly. Means repeated subtraction means division. 105 divided by 15 is equal to 15 7 are 105. So how many packets will be there? 7 packets will be there, and each packet 55 candies will be there. Means if you multiply 7 packets in any packet, how many candies will be there? 15. 15 7s are 105. Right? That is the total number of candies. So our answer is correct. So still here you have to write. Okay, don't write this one. This is how you have to cross check. Watch this video carefully. I will send you the same answer key that you have to solve in your notebook and send me the photos of it. Thank you.